So, are you ready for the science experiment today?
Yeah. Can't get my locker open. Didn't you get new contacts today?
Yeah, I'm so happy I don't have to wear glasses anymore.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get to class.
For today's science experiment, we are going to test...
Wait. You have to put your hair up before you start the experiment.
Oh, okay.
No, wait. If you want to start doing something, you have to put these goggles on and tuck your shirt in. You wouldn't want to keep catching on fire or something.
Oh, and don't you wear contacts? I think you have to take those out and put your glasses on.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So, you want to do some science?
Yeah,
Yes.
let's go.